patterns with us. Patterns! Great job, friends! Before we begin today's learning, let's start with our hello song. Are you ready, friends? Let's sing! Let's learn together, come and see. With Miss P's it's fun, you'll see. We'll count, we'll sing, we'll dance, we'll play. Let's have some fun today. Great job, friends! Did you know that patterns are things that repeat again and again and again? We see them in colours, shapes, sounds, and even in movement. Join us as we sing our first pattern song. Patterns, patterns here and there, stripes and spots are everywhere. Red, blue, see. What comes next, can you tell me? Patterns, patterns here and there, stripes and spots are everywhere. Great job, friends! Let's look at the pictures on the board. What do you notice? That's right, friends. It's a pattern. The same shape has been used over and over and over again. This shape has been repeated. What do you notice about the colours? That's right, friends. The circles change colour. It starts with red, then it's blue, then red, then blue again. The same two colours and the same shapes are being repeated over and over and over again. What does that mean again, Miss P2? What do you call it when the same pictures are being repeated over and over and over again? It's called a pattern, Miss P1. That's right. This is a pattern. Let's say the pattern together. Ready? Red circle, blue circle. Red circle, blue circle. Red circle, blue circle. Great pattern work, friends. Now, let's go on a pattern hunt. Can you find something with a pattern on your clothes? Maybe stripes or polka dots. Let's look at the patterns we found around the Miss P's Playhouse. This is a pair of Miss P1's favourite socks. Can you say the order of the images on the socks? That's right. Blue zigzag, pink zigzag, blue zigzag, pink zigzag. Great job, friends. What about this picture that hangs on the playroom wall, friends? That's right, it's squares. Pink square, blue square, green square, pink square, blue square, green square, pink square, blue square, green square. Great job, friends. You did a great job looking for patterns in the things around you. Let's try making our own patterns, Miss P1. That's a great idea, Miss P1. Miss P2, can you help us say the pattern that we create together? You can? That's great! Let's do a dolly, then a teddy bear, Miss P2. Good idea. Can you call out the pictures so that they pop up onto our board? Ready? Shout out the word dolly with us. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dolly! Great job, friends! Now, can you shout out the word teddy bear with us? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Teddy bear! Great job, friends! How do we read our new pattern, Miss P2? Well, let's read it together. Ready, friends? Dolly, teddy bear. Dolly, teddy bear. Dolly, teddy bear. Great pattern reading, friends. Let's do one more. Are you ready, friends? Let's do a red race car, then a green train, Miss P2. Can you call out the pictures so that they pop back up onto the board again, friends? Ready? Shout out the words red race car with us. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Red race car!
Great job, friends! Now can you shout out the words green train with us? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Green train! Great job, friends!
Now that we have created another pattern, let's read it together. Red race car, green train. Red race car, green train. Red race car, green train. Great job, friends!
Let's play another pattern game.
Let's use our hands and feet to make a pattern.
Let's do a clap and a stomp stomp.
Can you repeat after me?
Ready? This is going to be so fun. Ready, friends? Clap, stomp, stomp. Clap, stomp, stomp. Clap, stomp, stomp.
That was great! Let's do another one. Ready? Let's clap, clap, jump, tap our knees. Ready, friends? Follow along with us. Clap, clap, jump.
I did it wrong.
Again, Miss P2. Clap, clap, jump, tap our knees.
Ready, friends?
Ready? Clap, clap, jump, tap our knees. And again. Clap, clap, jump, tap our knees. Great job, friends.
Okay, let's look at these coloured blocks on the board. Red, blue, red, blue. Oh, what comes next?
That's right, it's red. Let's look at the next one. Ready? Red, yellow, green, blue. Red, yellow, green. What comes next?
This is a tricky one, Miss Pete. One.
That's right, it's blue.
Great job, friends! You are pattern masters. Patterns help us learn and make sense of the world. Time to get our bodies moving on a pattern dance-off, friends.
Let's move in a pattern. Let's do step left, step right, and jump. Ready? Let's do dance along.
Step right and jump.
That's right, Miss B2. Let's do it together now. Ready?
Let's dance. Are you ready, friends? Remember, step to the left, step to the right, and then jump. Ready? Let's go.
Step right, left,
Step right, and jump. Yay! Step left, step right, and jump. Woo! Step left, step right, and jump. This is so fun. Step left, step right, and jump. Woohoo! Step left, step right, and jump. Wow, friends, we are pattern dancing.
Well done, that was great, Miss P2.
We were just dancing in a pattern. Let's try a harder one. Let's head tap, shoulder tap, and clap. Let's do it one more time. Head tap, shoulder tap, and clap. Are you ready, friends?
Let's
try.
try.
Ready
Let's
to
get
listen to
some
the music?
on
And
and
ready.
start our pattern
Don't
dance.
forget, it is head tap, shoulder tap, clap. One more time. Head tap, shoulder tap, clap. Let's try the loop. Ready? Head tap, shoulder tap, clap. Head tap, shoulder tap, clap.
Let's try it a little bit faster.
Head tap, shoulder, clap. My goodness. Head, shoulder, clap. Oh my gosh. Head, shoulder, clap. Head, shoulder, clap.
Pea's Art Studio for some pattern art, friends.
I can't wait. We'll see you there, friends. Bye. Hello from the art studio, friends.
You will need an adult to help you with this next activity, friends.
You need a piece of rectangle-shaped paper like this that has been divided up into lots of squares like this.
And you'll need a black piece of paper or card to put it on at the end, as well as some crayons to colour with.
Now we choose 2 colours to start our pattern. You can go first.
I'm going to choose a green.
I'm going to choose orange.
Now we're going to create our own pattern art by colouring in a pattern using the 2 colours.
We're going to do it together, but you can do yours on your own.
Okay, I'm going to start mine with the green. So I'm going to colour the first square in green.
And then I'm going to colour the second in orange.
And then what will come next? That's right, friends, green. So I will do the next one, green.
Great job, friends. You're doing well.
And then Miss P2 will do orange. You do that all the way to the end. And when you're finished, you can get an adult to help you glue your finished pattern art onto a black piece of paper or card so that the colour stands out and the pattern can be seen easily. Here's one we prepared earlier.
To make it extra special, you can put your pattern art creation into a picture frame to put on the wall at home.
Great job, friends!
It's time to go back to the playroom.
You're right, Miss P2. Let's go. Wow! You did an amazing job finding patterns today, friends. Give yourself a pattern of claps. Clap, clap, stop. Clap, clap, stop.
Let's finish off our learning with a pattern song to help us remember all that we have learnt today.
Great idea. Let's sing. Patterns, patterns everywhere, clap your hands. Patterns, patterns everywhere, clap your hands. Patterns help us learn and play. They are fun in every way. Patterns, patterns everywhere, clap your hands. Patterns, patterns everywhere, clap your hands. Patterns, patterns everywhere, clap your hands. Patterns help us learn and play. They are fun in every way. Patterns, patterns everywhere, clap your hands.
Well done, friends. That was amazing. Next time on Miss P's Playhouse, we'll learn all about how to regulate our feelings and bodies. Can't wait to see you again.
Remember, friends,
Smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends.
Wow, friends, what a great time we've had today. Today's show was aligned with the early years learning outcomes, which you can find in the description below.
If you love learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And click the bell icons so that you never miss a new episode.
We can't wait to learn and play with you again soon.
Remember, smile big, be kind.